Google AdSense is used to display ads on the web. Be it YouTube, blog or a website, most of them use AdSense. Open your favorite browser and go to google.com/AdSense. Sign in if you already have an account. Sign up if you don't have an account. Enter your website URL and email ID. Select Yes if you prefer to receive personalized emails from AdSense, No if you don't want to. Click on Save and Continue. If you typed in a YouTube channel URL, you'll be prompted to finish setup on YouTube. If you started AdSense setup from YouTube, Step 2 would automatically be completed. If not, connect by entering email and password. Next step is to select the type of ads to display. I recommend selecting all types to maximize revenue. Next step is to complete threshold. Once the threshold is complete, your channel will be verified if it satisfies YouTube advertisers' friendly guideline. If it does, monetization will be enabled. Now, for website, in the sign up screen enter your web URL. If you own multiple sites, it can be added later. Go ahead and fill in your personal details. Now we'll perform these steps. Now let's add our site. Click on the hamburger icon on top left corner. Then, select Sites. Click on Add Site. Enter your domain URL and click Next. Copy the script code and paste it in the header section of your website. Google will evaluate and determine whether your site is ready to show ads. If your website is eligible, you can start showing ads to your visitors. You can also manually create ad units from the ads section. Now, let's talk about how we get paid, and how to add our payment details. In order to get paid, some verification and threshold have to be completed. Upload your tax information to your AdSense account. Verify the address you entered in your AdSense account. A PIN will be mailed to your address, and you have to enter it in AdSense. Depending upon your location, different payment options will be available for you. The most common and widely used payment option is wire transfer. Click on Payments, and select Add Payment Method. Fill in your bank details. SWIFT number can be obtained by performing a Google search. You can use main branch SWIFT key if your branch doesn't have one. Set as primary, to receive payments to this account. Intermediary bank and FFC are optional. Click Save to set payment method. You can also add a secondary payment method by following the same steps. Your payment will be sent automatically to your bank account when threshold is met. Threshold values are discussed next. If the currency of your country was not mentioned, then these are the defaults. If you're planning on deleting your AdSense account, your pending balance will be paid only when the cancellation threshold is met. If these steps were properly followed, your bank account should have been credited. It's always a good idea to download payment invoices. Let's see how.